friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about bad breath. Many times this happen in spite of doing a lot of brushing, in spite of taking proper hygiene, using mouthwash and using many other things, still we have bad breath problem. And sometimes we feel very embarrassed because of this bad breath. But the thing is, we need not to get embarrassed about it because we have Ayurveda and Ayurveda has certain solutions for this. And it is not like bad breath is something, some kind of crime or something like that nothing can be done about it. It is just we need to understand what is the root cause of this bad breath, what creates that bad breath, because bad breath is just a symptom. It is not some kind of disease in itself. It is just body is giving some sign to us like, okay, check this. So let's see what Ayurveda has to say about it. So if you go with the Ayurveda principles, bad breath mostly happens when our digestion is not proper. That means if we have weak digestive fire and for some reasons whatever we are eating, if it is not able to get digested fully, then this will lead to bad breath. Because as you know, food keeps lying in our stomach, decompose over there because we don't have that much digestive fire or enzymes that help to digest our food. And as you know, whenever decomposition or food decomposition happens, whether outside or inside the body, it always smells. So many times it has been seen, once we treat patient for digestive fire, his bad breath goes forever. So this is one reason that happens. Another reason is when we have kapha body type people. When we have kapha body type, that means the Ayurveda Prakriti, as I mentioned in many of my videos, there are 7 kinds of body types. There are 3 dual, 3 single and 1 sama Prakriti, that is balanced one, which is very, very rare. Most of the time people have dual. So many times it happens like people are more of kapha body type, and in these people there is more tendency to weight gain also, and in these people there is more tendency to have bad breath also, because it has been seen like in kapha body type people the digestive fire is very less, and when digestive fire is less, that causes bad breath because food will not get digested properly. Now what can we do about it? About it, you need to make your lifestyle very active. You need to do Kapalbhatis, yoga, pranayam. These are very beneficial things. In addition to that, you need to choose food very consciously. That means you need to have more and more organic food in your diet. Don't overeat, that is very important for kapha body type or if you have bad breath problem, because when we will overeat, definitely already our digestive fire is low, and then if you are overeating, then food will not get digested well and it will make bad breath. This is also very common reason. So whenever you are having food, eat little less whatever hunger you have. So this simple trick can solve this bad breath problem. If you have very low digestive fire, then you can also have little piece of ginger over it. Ginger also is very beneficial to enhance digestive fire. Many times there is very excess digestive fire, that also causes bad breath. In that case, you can have little bit of cardamom, that also help because cardamom is cooling impotency. But if you want to be very specific, what is the reason, then you need to have proper Ayurveda consultation. But you can try these 2 things also. This will also help you. If it is a mild thing, it will get solved it can be solved just by using these small tricks. This is one thing. Another thing, make sure like before going to bed, make proper brushing of the teeth, use proper toothpaste, brush for little 5 to 6 minutes, that's very important. Make sure the bristles of the brush are good. In addition to that, do oil pulling. Oil pulling also is very beneficial to make your salivary glands very healthy and the gums very healthy. And in addition to that, you can also apply Himalayan salt and mustard oil. Mix it well, apply on your teeth. And once you apply this thing on your teeth, your mouth will get filled with water. And so please throw this water out, don't engulf it. This will also help to heal your gums. If the bad breath is because of some gum infection or some tooth infection, that will also so this process is very beneficial in these things. In addition to that, if you have some dental issue, like if your tooth is some decaying, or if you have tooth infection, or there is pus in the tooth, these things also cause bad breath. So it is not just bad breath, you need to go for the root cause of bad breath. Once you remove the root cause of bad breath, you will get over this bad breath. In addition to that, don't take very heavy diets at night. Try to have your dinners early. Focus on big bowl of fruits in the morning. In addition to that, have always freshly cooked meal and try to consume it within 1 hour of cooking. Try to have more and more sattvic food, especially if kapha body type people. Avoid the use of onion and garlic. That will make a lot of difference if the bad breath is because of use of this garlic and onion, because sometimes they make your digestive fire very enhanced. So these kind of these kind of small things makes a lot of difference. In addition to that, never eat food more than the need of your body, because whenever we eat excess food, then body need to put a lot of effort to digest it, and for some reason if your digestive fire is low, the food will remain undigested, and that can also cause bad breath. So try to make your meals little less, and that will also be beneficial in losing weight. But at the same time, I am not saying don't eat food, because that will enhance digestive fire and mouth will and the smell of this bad breath will be enhanced. So don't do this mistake also. At the same time, if you are doing any kind of fasting, make sure that you have whole day lemon water or warm water, so that whatever detox is happening, it just go out of the body and it will not lead to bad breath. So that's all about bad breath, and that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're watching me for the first time, there's a bell icon, there's a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button, so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click the join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down your questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.